Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. So welcome to the next lecture. This is the sixth lecture in this series in which we are learning the basic components of Compose. So let's recap. In the previous lecture we have learned how to use text field and which includes email, password and description text. So in this video we will create a sign-in screen which includes all of the components which we have learned at this point yet. So this screen will look like this, and the design file is link is given in the description below, and the starter code of this lecture is also given in the description below. So there will be two branches of this lecture. The first one is lecture 6 sign-in screen starter code, which you can use when trying things along with the video, and the complete code branch contains all the complete code at the end of this lecture. So if there is any issue while coding during the video for you, then you can match your code with the complete code branch. So let's continue to the coding. So here let's first actually we need to see the design here. So in the design we have sign-in screen which have different components like image, text, two text fields, switch button, and sign in, and these buttons. So as you can see here, all of these components are showing vertically, like the arrangement of these components is vertically, and there are some of the shadow images have been used at the background of the image, and also the buttons have the shadow around it too. So let's make this design one by one. So we will start from top and put the component on the screen as needed. So first of all, I will create a new package here. For every screen we will create a different package. Sign in, and create a new file. And for preview, I will copy this code down here by selecting this text, and Control D, it will copy the selected text in the next line. So, and the next is theme, and sign-in screen. So here we will start writing our components here. So first of all, we need to show this icon and text bottom here. So for that I will first make a column, and make the background color to white, and here I will put the first image here. So it will be image, enter resource. We already have that image in our resource directory, which is an app icon. And what is the size of this icon here? In this design, it's 55 by 58. So let's make it all 58. And see the preview here. Okay, so our icon is showing here. So the next is we need to show this text here, which is event hub, and color is this one, 100% opacity. And what are the, okay, the size is 35. So, and there is some spacing between this text, so for that I will use spacer. Event hub, and the size of this text is 35, and weight is medium. And next is color. The color is this one. So let's see, do we have this color in our colors file? No, we don't have it. So let's make it as it's near to black, so let's name it as black 1. And as we have added another color in the color file, so we need to rebuild our project by manually typing on clicking on this build and refresh option. So after that our UI will be rendered. During that I will also make this horizontally centered. So yeah, this is it. So the space is too high between these components, so let's decrease it. Let's make it 4, but on the above side we need more spacing here, so I will copy this and paste it here. And the next component is this sign in button. So for, and here we also need put some spacing here, so I will copy this line from here and paste it here. Let's make it 8. And next is the text sign in. 24, size and font weight medium, and color is this one. So let's copy this text from here, and it will be sign in, and size is 24, font weight medium, and the color would be this one. So let's see that have we already have this color in our list. No, we won't have it, and it's also the near to black color, so I will name it as black 2. So let's copy this line. For that I will just click Ctrl D, color 2, and yeah, that's it. So here I will name it black 2, and as I have added an extra color in our color file, so I need to rebuild it using this to see the effect in here. And the next is the text field, which is for the email address. Need to import it. Now I need to build and refresh. And the next is the text field, which also have some spacing between sign in and the text field. So let's copy this spacer from here and put the text field. It will contain email dot value, and so email is a state which holds the data of the email. And we have a placeholder in it as abc@gmail.com. And the next, our abc@gmail.com is showing here, and the next thing is I need to make this sign in on the left side, and the text field should contain the full width available to it with some padding around it. So first I will put the padding to this column. Let's make it 16 dp, and the next part is I need to arrange these items on the left side. For that I will make this sign-in screen to take the full width of the parent component which is available to him. For that I will use modifier fill max width, okay. So our sign in text is on the left side. So now let's make the increase the width of this text fields. For that I will use modifier fill max width, and we also need to show this icon on the left side of this text field. For that I will select this and export it. Copy it and paste in the resources directory. Email icon. Okay, our text field is now taking the full width of the parent component. So let's put the email icon in start of this text field. For that we have the option of icon, leading icon, in which we will put this icon here, not the vector one. Actually we need to show from the resources, so I will use painter. And as we have added image in the drawable, so I will need to manually build and refresh this, otherwise it will show this render issue here. Okay, so our icon is showing here. So let's see what is the size of this icon. The size of this icon in this design is 22 by 22. So let's make the size of this according to that. And the next is we need to make this text field a rounded border. So for that we will make this text field to outline text field, outline text field. Okay, so now it's outlined. So let's make the corner of this text field rounded as per our design. So for that I will set the shape to rounded corner shape. Let's make it 8 dp. Okay, actually I need to increase it. Okay, so now that is it. Actually it's too much rounded, so let's make it 18. So yeah, that's pretty much it according to the design. So the next is coloring part. So we need to set the color of the placeholder and the border and this icon color according to the design. So let's start with the placeholder text. Okay, it's not already existing here, it's like gray, so I will name it gray 1. And the next is the icon color. Which is, I call it gray 2. And the next one is this border color. The border color is this. It's also pretty much like gray. very light gray, but I will name it as gray 3. Okay, so all our colors of these options have been come up. So let's apply this to text field. For that we have a colors property in that. Okay, colors, and the defaults colors are text field default outline colors. So here I will set the placeholder color to what was the color of that one, color 1 I think. What is the placeholder color? It's 688 gray 1, gray 1. And the next is leading icon color, unfocused leading icon color, which is A7A gray 2. And the next color is the border color, unfocused border color, which is the gray 3. So as I have added this color in the color file, so I need to manually refresh it by build and refresh. So yeah, this is it according to our design which we have in here. So the next is the password text field. So for that I will copy this text field as it is from here, with including spacer. And here I will use password value, password, and here will be called your placeholder would be your password. And what would be next? The next is this log icon. We will import this log icon from here. Actually first I will define this password state above on the file. Okay, that's it. So the next part is the this leading icon. So leading icon would be a log icon, so export it. And the trailing icon would be an eye icon. I am not able to select this one. Let's copy this by pressing Alt and click, and it will make a duplicate of that on top. So let's select this eye icon and export it. So we have the both two icons. So let's delete this one, and yeah, this is our design. So let's copy these to the resources of the project. Password icon, actually log icon, and visibility of icon, copy them and paste in our project. Okay, so for trailing icon it would be lock icon, and for for leading icon it will be a log icon, and for trailing icon it will be same one. Visibility of, and make this icon clickable, and yeah, that's it. So I need to rebuild it. Okay, so the password field is also showing according to our design. So the next is this radio, this switch button, and remember and forget password. So as these components are showing horizontally in one line, so for that we will use row component here, and yeah, also some padding on top of that, which would be 8. By default it's true, and remember text. And what is the color of this text? The color of this text is this one, and size is 14. Okay, so yeah, that's it. And the next is forget password, and actually I need to let's off the visibility of this sign-in option. No, it's still visible actually. Let's make it forget password. Okay, so yeah, that's it. So the content of this component is vertically centered, so it should be vertically centered. For that I will set the vertical alignment, center vertically.